This is really insane. After a long time, Elon Musk finally released a startling bombshell, and the price of Shiba Inu will be significantly impacted by this. The most bizarre aspect, however, is that Coinbase just revealed something strange. The stakes are trillions of Shiba Inu. There is speculation that these two may be related, and indicates the arrival of something significant. What's going on? What am I even talking about anyway? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Today, a massive item just dropped. Just now, the whole Shiba Inu community was rocked by Elon Musk. He made a daring comment on cryptocurrency, and it's not simply one of those fleeting tweets. This one is unique, it's large, and it's already having an impact on the whole cryptocurrency industry. Shiba Inu, of course, is at the center of everything. But hold on, and there's more. Today, Coinbase is at the center of something much more significant. Suddenly, people are talking about trillions, yes, trillions of Shiba Inu tokens, and the amount is just astounding. This is not the kind of incident that occurs by chance. There are all the indications that a huge event is imminent. Something is obviously in the works, whether it's institutional passion, a significant change in wallet activity, or a huge disclosure coming soon. Okay, so all of this commotion sounds thrilling, but is it really making an appearance on the charts? Does Shiba Inu have a reaction? One expert, however, simply explained it. Furthermore, what he is seeing may be the beginning of something catastrophic. He claims that Shiba Inu have formally emerged from their decreasing trajectory. It has been in that irksome rut for a long time, but it is now out of it. It's liberated. That breakthrough zone is now being softly retested. That's fortunate. This time, it feels different. It seems like the start of a significant change. Speaking of significant changes, the Shiba Inu graph is now undergoing one. This is one of those times when the market determines what happens next, and it's not just any little jiggle. Now that one of the most significant pricing zones in recent months is back in action, it's becoming a huge battlefield. Shiba Inu is now seated within a wild, significant range. We are discussing a pricing range in which more than 170,000 wallets have more than 500 trillion Shiba Inu coins. The sheer number of tokens gathered in one location is astounding. In the past, individuals have purchased, sold, paused, and jumped in here. It's a psychological battleground, not simply a chart level. A vast battleground of resistance and support, an absolute magnet for liquidity. And what's going on at the moment? Just below the main trend line, Shiba Inu is dancing. It's pulled back under after previously breaking above it. It seems to be preparing for a significant choice. Some of the major technical indicators are putting up some pressure, and the price action is becoming tighter. On-chain data enters the picture at this point and alters the rules. There is more to that enormous cluster, which is home to more than 500 trillion Shiba Inu, than simply aesthetics. It is a wall, a barrier, and a huge shield. It indicates that this zone is of significant interest. A large number of actual holders have already made their presence known here, and many of them are still actively participating. It's more than simply assistance. That's dedication. Therefore, in the near run, things may seem a bit unclear. But this level of pressure, in such a heavy zone, this sort of energy building, in a situation like that, a single spark may send Shiba Inu flying. It resembles the quiet before the explosion. Everyone is watching to see what comes next. Additionally, if purchasers intervene, this area can turn out to be the starting point for something far larger than anybody had anticipated. However, this is something that no one anticipated. Not even the techiest insiders in cryptocurrency. Elon Musk revealed yet another surprise on Sunday, June 1st. XChat, a new communications function for the X platform, was formally unveiled by the well-known Sena billionaire, who is also the face of SpaceX and Tesla. Furthermore, this goes beyond a simple software update or modification. No, it's constructed differently. Musk claims that XChat has what he refers to as Bitcoin-style encryption and was created entirely in Rust, a lightning-fast and secure programming language. Its internal architecture is completely novel. Additionally, users don't even need a phone number to conduct audio and video chats on any platform. That's enormous. It essentially rewrites the rules for private communication in the digital era. This is when the exciting part begins. The tech wasn't the only reason this piece gained attention. Pete Rizzo had a response to that. He is a renowned journalist and history of Bitcoin. He made a significant observation. According to the timetable he uses, Musk made reference to Bitcoin for the first time in over 3 years. That's no little matter. When Elon made news about Bitcoin the previous time, Tesla invested a whopping $1.5 billion. And what took place? Bitcoin quickly increased by 50%. Investors should saddle up, Rizzo said bluntly, since the market follows Musk's lead. Now, several cryptocurrency experts were quick to point out that Elon has sometimes brought up Bitcoin in interviews and podcasts. Indeed, he has. However, this is not the same. It's not a casual conversation. Elon Musk is connecting a worldwide communications infrastructure with encryption similar to that of Bitcoin. The big money is interested in this because it's infrastructure-level stuff. Let's now discuss the significance of this for Shiba Inu. Musk has a legendary impact on the cryptocurrency industry. His mere mention of cryptocurrency causes values to fluctuate. Do you recall the past? A single tweet or meme would send Shiba Inu into a frenzy. However, it feels larger this time, because instead of only promoting memes, he is discussing the development of platforms, systems, and hints to a more thorough incorporation of crypto principles into mainstream technology. The problem is this: Bitcoin seldom increases by itself. When it does, the momentum, the money, and the enthusiasm all flow over. Next are altcoins. And when things go bullish, Shiba Inu, one of the most well-known and discussed coins in the game, often leads the digital currency charge. Shiba Inu could easily ride the wave if Bitcoin takes off due to this Musk moment, not slowly. Explosively, the catalyst we are discussing is the kind that is uncommon. Musk attracts attention, which in turn attracts volume, which in turn generates price movement. Additionally, Shiba Inu are already exhibiting life on the graphs. So yes, do strap up, because Shiba Inu may be among the greatest beneficiaries in the whole industry if this trend stays up, and Musk keeps drawing attention to crypto infrastructure. But something strange is happening at the moment. Something that doesn't seem to go together right away, but might be an indication of something far more significant taking place in the background. There was a significant Shiba Inu transfer not long ago. Specifically, 2.86 trillion tokens. It's not a typo. We're talking about over 3 million. About 36 million USD, or 3 trillion Shiba Inu, all went into Coinbase Institutional. This isn't your typical purchase, however. One of the most significant single movements we've seen in Shiba Inu in recent weeks is this one. But it wasn't simply the magnitude of the move that took everyone by surprise. That's where it originated. The tokens were transferred from a wallet that has never before been connected to any significant exchange, according to blockchain monitors. Nothing, not Binance, nor Coinbase. The wallet had the appearance of a ghost, keep quiet, hidden from view. Then, all of a sudden, over $40 million in Shiba Inu money instantly enters Coinbase's institutional platform. Red flags and flashing lights appeared on analytics dashboards immediately. This wallet has a reputation for containing a lot of Shiba. Nor did it just awaken and discharge everything. Moreover, 30 billion Shiba Inu are still housed there, indicating that it wasn't a complete departure. This seems to be a well-thought-out action, a partial liquidation, and maybe even a component of a larger plan. The key question today is, why now? Why, of all places, transfer billions of tokens to Coinbase Institutional? At this point, everything began to feel related. Because as you may recall, Elon Musk just announced XChat, a daring new tech concept with encryption akin to that of Bitcoin. Then, all of a sudden, large numbers of Shiba Inus are being moved at the institutional level? It's hardly a coincidence, come on. The moment is right. Alignment is that. Is there any chance that this whale has any knowledge? Is this a positioning maneuver in anticipation of a more significant market shift? Perhaps. Just perhaps. The shift of significant funds into cryptocurrency assets like Shiba Inu is linked to the X platform's expanding crypto-friendly features. This is nothing new to us. Whales are usually the first to migrate. They are the first to notice the approaching storm. They don't hold out for news stories. Silently, they take their positions. They're already making money by the time the remainder of the market realizes what's going on. Therefore, it might be a sign that a significant event is coming when a quiet wallet abruptly transfers billions of Shiba Inu to an institutional exchange. Is Elon involved in this? Do digital platforms and cryptocurrency assets like Shiba Inu have an early connection like this? Are organizations preparing to intervene? All the signs are there, but we are unsure. We have a new functionality that is supported by Musk and is linked to crypto-level security. Behind the scenes, a huge amount of Shiba Inu is being transferred. Additionally, there are whales that seem to be preparing for something. Right now it's speculative but shrewd speculation. Shiba Inu may be about to experience another massive breakout if all of this is more than just a coincidence and we're on the cusp of a new wave of adoption or integration. In judging from what we're seeing at the moment, let's just say that the chances are in favor of something extremely interesting. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.